awareness. We are doing as much as we can. Weekly also, monthly we come on the streets and we speak. On social media there will be lots of people talking about veganism, talking about plant-based foods, talking about animal exploitation. So awareness is there, but people have excuses about convenience. People have excuses about it is our culture. People have excuses about economy. But there are many other things that I can say regarding all these three. Culture. Sati used to be the culture. We thought it was wrong, so it stopped. So then, when we say economy, mining also was bad for our environment. It was an injustice to our landscape. So people also found different ways of coping with this loss of mining in Goa itself. So human beings have the capability of generating income from many other ways, and it does not have to be exploitation only. And culture, 99% of the world, 99% of the world exploits animals, and they call it culture. But culture should not represent this. We have evolved. Human beings used to stay in caves. Now we are staying in houses. Human beings used to write letters. Now we just send messages. So we are all evolving. So we need to evolve from our habits of exploiting animals also, and just leave them be. Let them live their lives, and we can live our lives also very happily and healthily. We can thrive, in fact.
India exports highest
is India. So people think that we are not killing any animals and we worship cows and buffaloes and all the animals in here, but it is not true. Even leather, we produce the most. Even dairy, we are the highest producing dairy country in this whole world. So that is why we have to think like, we want to worship these animals, but how beef is getting exported? Second largest. So after Brazil, that is. So we need to make a link that when you drink milk, people think vegetarian is the best way. No. When you drink milk, you are funding. Dairy is the slaughter industry. It is they kidnap the babies. They keep the girls separately, feed them something else, just to again exploit them by putting their hands inside their private parts and make them pregnant again. And then again the same exploitation circle. And when they are 5 or 6 years old and when they cannot give milk anymore, again they are sent to slaughter. So just put yourselves in their positions and see how you will feel. They don't have lawyers, they don't have courts to fight for them, and we are trying to do as much as we can to bring this reality to you, and rest is your choice. How you want to deal with this information that
government can do in this?
Madam, government everything is supply and demand. So if you're demanding for a certain product, government will say we are giving subsidy to this. So as long as people don't stop this demand of all the meat and eggs and dairy or leather or any products tested on animals, if people don't stop that, then the government also will not change. So we need to change the demand. We need to change the supply demand, and then things will slowly change. Many people are slowly realizing this truth and are going vegan. And it is easier. I don't like to say veganism because veganism is a Western term. For us in India, ahimsa, that came first before everything else. So think about ahimsa and live by the values of ahimsa. So that is all that I have to tell everybody.